Hello everyone and good evening. Welcome to Emerson's We Love STEM News Network, the first live broadcast coming to you from my living room. I'm Brett Pulaski. This summer, we've all gotten very used to working from home and working differently. And while Emerson and our customers have been hard at work during these crazy times, I also know that a lot of aspiring STEM leaders have been doing a lot at home themselves lately. Here in the Austin, Texas area, we hosted our 7th annual We Love STEM Day, but our first virtual one. We had over 100 kids, grandkids, nieces, and nephews from you, our Emerson colleagues, that were so willing to participate in a number of different STEM activities, and they did a great job of posting photos and videos of what they were doing online, and we're really excited to show you some of the best. We need to give a big thank you to different members of our executive leadership team for helping us kick off We Love STEM at Home edition this summer. First off, Jim Nyquist, our group president, did a great job of getting it started.
I know you've been home from school for a long time now, but are you ready to have some fun and learn something new? STEM innovation will be key to discovering and making the new medicines to fight the coronavirus. We don't want you to miss out on discovering new things and being curious and having some fun with STEM.
Next, Claudio Fayad and his 2 kids did a great job of demoing a couple of experiments for us, and they added a little personal flavor.
Let's see how this goes. After a few attempts, we realized we need a lot more tape. Right, JB? So now we're going to try again. Hey! Woohoo!
Nina Golder and her 2 daughters, Allie and Lila, did a great job of showing us another experiment, and they were the real stars of the show.
Hello, I'm Allie Golder. I'm doing this safety moment. So make sure whenever you turn this on, you never touch the paper clips, but if you do, please touch it with the tape on it. Make sure you have adult supervision. This can shock you. Okay, Mom, don't touch. Don't touch. Ready? On, and then, oh my God, it worked. So you're gonna see a little light. Just a little light.
And then John Nita and his dog Mia showed us that We Love STEM Day can also include dogs.
Now that you're full STEM ahead, I thought I would pop in with some tips to improve your experience during We Love STEM at Home edition.
Laura Schaeffer from our digital transformation team, while living up in Minnesota, connected with her 2 nieces out in Colorado, giving us another amazing example of how families are still finding ways to connect across the country.
Okay, so today we're going to do a little experiment where we're going to create a circuit, an electrical circuit with salt. And you're going to draw a thick line of glue across the paper, but it has to come to the edge. Nice job. So you made your own little lamp with a salt circuit, yeah?
Yep. Mommy, can we put this in our room so at night we can...
Finally, PSS President Ron Martin capped off our summer and encouraged us all to stay full STEM ahead.
We hope you'll continue to be curious and have fun learning and applying the STEM concepts that will shape the future of the world we live in.
Another unique thing we were able to do this summer, while a lot of our interns were working remotely and we weren't able to see them in person, I did have a chance to connect with them over a little Zoom call to ask them, why STEM?
I kind of started programming on my own with a Raspberry Pi. And the reason I started that is because my neighbor, who was like maybe 12 years old at the time, was doing it and I thought it sounded cool, so I also started doing it.
But I loved coding. And I remember in high school, I took my first coding class, and I remember making this really easy to make game in Visual Studio. And then it ran and I got 100% on it. And I was like, wow, I can really build stuff with this. And it's so cool.
We built robots after school for competitions. And even though it was on the mechanical team, it's not really related to computer engineering. I kind of learned the process and I really liked it, the engineering process. So from there, I kind of got interested in computer engineering, electronics, stuff like that.
When I was younger, I was into a lot of different video games. And a lot of my mindset was, oh, how can I do this better? For what reasons did this outcome happen when I tried to do this action? And that kind of mindset relates a lot to computer science and engineering.
STEM is it's a broad field, like Jonathan said. And it's a good way to learn about how the world around you works.
The more you get into STEM, the more you kind of get over that intimidation of things you don't know.
You can literally do anything with STEM. That's the beauty of STEM, you know.
But now, most importantly, back to our STEM kids. We had a few prize categories, and after watching all of the video submissions for the different experiments, it made for a tough judging decision. That said, without further ado, most collaborative goes to Alyssa Hernan and her brothers, and then Daniel Said and his cousin. Most creative goes to Ethan Assis, Kaya Kapadia, and Evelyn Johnson. And then best new STEM experiment goes to the sibling combo of Iman and Ian Shu. We're gonna roll some clips after this, but their entire videos are posted separately on this YouTube channel. I encourage everyone to go check it out. Seriously, great job, guys.
We're going to deliver a cookie to my brother Mark.
What? Mark has to eat it? So we put the glue first, and then we put like the food coloring green, and then like we put some yellow. Make sure not yellow. The very last thing I learned is
And congrats not just to our winners, but truly to every one of you who took time, took a chance, and tried a new activity. Some of you edited your own videos, added music, created new jingles, worked with each other, and spread some good news with STEM. So as we start to wrap up, I'm just fortunate to be the messenger of all the good news that our Emerson family's created this summer. The hope of the world is the individual who cares. So keep loving others, keep trying new things, and keep having fun with STEM. Our future is in good hands. Thanks for sharing these moments with us. Can't wait until we can all be together again soon. So, one last time for Emerson's We Love STEM News Network, this is Brett Blasky. Hope this doesn't go viral. Stay cool, everyone.
We love STEM. It's working. We love STEM. We love STEM at home edition. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. We're Allie and Allie Golder. Goodbye.
Since We Love STEM News Network, this is Brett Blasky.
Oh my gosh.